Hi, I'm Mike and I'm a customer of Stratco, and this is my shed. I've rallied cars for over 40 years and I love motorsport, so we build our rally cars here, but also restore cars, and these cars get driven. You might note the floor doesn't have black and white checkered tiles. This is a workshop. Didn't have room for all of our cars, and I always wanted a shed. But we're on a sloping block, which made it very difficult to put a standard shed in. And with Stratco, they came with a solution which was a design and build solution, where the wall of our shed is actually the retaining wall for the block, which is very, very unique. So the shed was a custom design. It's also had to be tall enough for my hoist. If you're working on cars and you're kind of my age, getting up and down is pretty tough. Every guy should have a hoist in his shed. And going taller is a whole lot cheaper than going wider. I had a couple of constraints where my lovely lady didn't want me to go too far up the hill to remove the kids' play gym, and of course we're down near our boundary, so there were certain constraints there, and it was a very sloping block, but Stratco engineers did what they did very well, and we've got a great shed that fits well in the environment. So having cars close together, like we had one sideways and one reversed, you run the risk of damaging. And so having a shed where the cars can live without having to have daily passers-by, and a shed is a very, very inexpensive way to protect these investments. The final cog on the wheel, I guess, was the Stratco Approved Installer. But you know, I didn't put this up. Stratco did absolutely everything. It was effectively turnkey. So if you're busy and you haven't got the time to project manage, Stratco will do it for you. So why Stratco? Well, it's the service, it's the quality, and it's the ease of doing business. And why would anybody want to put their valuable possessions in anything other than a Stratco shed?